Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. Today we're going to be going over some division strategies, and we're going to be focusing on dividing by 1 and 0. All right, so our agenda for today, first things first, that do now, that daily math quizzes. If you haven't completed it already, make sure that you do so. Today's video lesson, and there'll be a check for understanding, so the review quizzes on this lesson. Remember to watch the whole video for the password. Remember that. It's for a grade, and then you'll add it to that Google Doc that was shared to you. All right, move this. Okay, so all of the flowers are going into this vase. How many flowers will be in the vase? All right, so if we put this one in here, so that's 1, that's 2. So we're putting all 3 into 1, so we have 1, 2, 3 in the vase, so 3 divided by 1 is still going to be equal to 3. All right? So anytime that we divide by 1, we're going to get the same number that we started with. All right, let's take a look at our next one. So there are 5 pieces of candy. They're placed into 5 boxes evenly. How many pieces are in each box? All right, so 5 divided by 5, that's what we're looking for. So let's take a look at one of our boxes. How many pieces do we have in there? We have 1. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So anytime that you divide the number by itself, you're always going to equal 1. All right. So there are 8 slices of pizza that are going into one box. How many slices of pizza will be in the box? All right. So let's see. We're looking for 8 divided by 1. So I'm going to do, let's see, 1. Yeah, it goes in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we know that there are 8 pieces of pizza. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 1 is going to equal 8. So same thing. So this one, we have 0 slices of pizza that are going into one box. How many slices of pizza will be in the box? Well, if we don't have any to start out with, we can't have any afterwards, right? So 0 divided by 1 is 0. So there's a couple things, right? So we're dividing by 1, so we always get the same number that we start out with, right? All right, let's take a look at this. There are 6 scoops of ice cream that each need 1 cone. How many cones are needed? So we're looking for 6 divided by 6. All right, so this one's going to go here. That's there. That's there. Yup. Keep going. All right, so we put a scoop on each cone, so we needed 6 divided by 6. Let's see. How many cones are needed? This should be scoops. 6 divided by 6 is 1. All right, so let's do some quick math. So 3 divided by 1, anytime we divide by 1, you get that same number that we start. Anytime that we get the same divide by the same number, we're going to get to 1. So 2 divided by 1, we get 2. 7 divided by 7, we get the same, so that's 1. 10 divided by 1, we get 10. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 divided by 4, so we're dividing by the same number again, so we get 1. 6 divided by 6, same number again, we get 1. All right, so remember this is a division bar, so we have 5 divided by 5, so we're dividing by the same number, we get 1. 7 divided by 1, we get 7. 9 divided by 1, we get 9. 4 divided by 4, we get the same number again, so we get 1. 3 divided by 3, same number, 1. 8 divided by 1, we get 8. 5 divided by 1, we get 5. 10 divided by 10, same number, 1. All right? So whenever we divide by 1, we get the same number that we start with. Whenever we divide by the number itself, we're going to get 1. All right, password for today is, let's go with lemon. Password for today is lemon. All right, so you just have this short division strategies quizzes. Let me know if you need help. Thanks, guys.